Hi, Georgina. Georgina, your online fam wants to know how you learn to read. Let's show them, okay?
Okay.
Okay, now. Okay, you sing.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G.
You point, you point.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G.
Can you point where is Z? Where is O? A. Where is Q? S. J. W. Very good. Georgina, let's do phonics, okay?
Okay.
What's the sound of A? What's the sound of B? C. D.
D,
E. F. G.
G,
H. I.
E,
J.
G,
K. L.
E,
M.
E,
N.
E,
O.
O,
P. Q. R.
E,
S. Louder. S. T. U.
O,
V.
E,
W.
W,
X. Y.
E,
Z.
Z.
Very good. Okay, let's start with the CV, Georgina.
Okay.
Okay, let's start with the CV, Georgina.
What's a ZB?
CV is consonant and vowels. Okay?
Consonant and vowels.
Yes. CV means consonant and
Vowels.
very good. Okay, can you read this one?
B, A, ba, T, U, T, B, E.
Very good. Okay, now Georgina, let's move on to CVC.
CVC?
Yes.
What's a CVC?
CVC is the consonant, vowel, consonant.
Consonant, vowel, consonant, vowel.
Okay, Georgina, can you read this one? Louder.
E,
Very good. Next.
M, A, T, Ma,
Very good. Last one. What's this?
O, U, One.
Very good.
It's fun.
It's so much fun, right?
It's so much fun to read.
Yay!
What Mama, you do this?
And we do that. Wow! Dancing Georgina. Okay, now let's go
What
back to
is
reading.
this?
Oh, yes. Yay! So pretty. Louder.
A, sh, cash.
Very good.
K, A, sh, cash. Wink,
You first sound.
cash.
What's the next?
W, E, wink, wink.
Very good. Last one.
O, S, T, most.
Very good. Now, let's try reading sentences, okay? Okay, sit down properly now. Let's go back to reading. Okay, Georgina. Georgina, can you read the first sentence? Sit properly.
She has a pink hat.
Very good. Can you read again?
She has a pink hat.
Very good. Next sentence.
Mama, a
High
pink
five.
hat. I don't have pink hat.
Can you read the second sentence? Okay, you point, okay?
The boy is tall.
Very good. Now the last sentence.
We are eating tomato.
Yay! High five. Yeah.
I did it.
You did it.
Kiss.
Kiss. Okay, so sweet.